Hi there, and welcome to another metal puzzle. This time it looks like this. It's like one big metal piece with two eyes and a small one with one eye. You should get it to this stage, which is pretty straightforward. You can either do it this side or this side. It doesn't really matter because both sides are identical. Now what is next? Next, you need to turn this piece around. Okay. It should look like this. And then you can just flip it over and it slides out very easily. I'm really sorry about the background noise, it drives me nuts. But anyway, this is how you unlock this puzzle. To put it back together, you need to put this piece in the eye here and this piece in the eye here. So let me show you. Wait. Is it like this? Right, like this. Okay, now this goes like this, and then you turn it around gently, and it goes up again. Okay, let me show you one more time. This is how you start. I think your puzzle will probably be like this when you receive it, or the other side. It doesn't really matter. Okay, now you take this piece, you turn it around, and it should look like this. Then you gently flip it. I'll show you. Flip it. You flip it. And you turn it, and out it comes. Putting it back together, likewise. There you go. Okay, so this piece, turn it around, it should look like this. That's the stage where you should come to, like this. Then you twist it gently, and it falls off. There you go, metal puzzle. You can do it.